Hello, Facebook Nation, and hello, world. This is your coach, Roberto, Rovillos, your mentor Rome for short. Um, Thank you guys for watching, and pagpasensyahan nyo na yung boses ko. May sakit po tayo ngayon. However, pagaling na rin. And today, guys, we will just do a recap on the past videos that we have uploaded here on YouTube. And then what we will be doing really is encoding an account, three accounts. So previously, what we have discussed about are upgrading the three accounts to seven accounts. Ito guys, oh. And then how to earn here in affiliate marketing, and then paano mag-transfer ng activation code, and how to activate seven accounts ng downline mo. So today guys, we will be quickly doing an upgrade or activation of an account for three accounts. Alright? So, by the way guys, i-activate nating account is account ni Miss Chesa Salas Molina. She's from Mandaluyong. Though she's really aware on how affiliate marketing works, alright? She's been into the business for quite some time, and later on, of course, i-connect natin siya sa mga tao na may idea na rin sa affiliate marketing, alright? So let's go back to her account. So Ms. Chesa, thank you so much for allowing me to use your account for me to activate it. And right now, let's go to her dashboard. Actually, na-transfer ko na yung account, yung codes sa account niya. So, it's ready to be activated now, right? So, as you can see here down below, here, so available codes 3. So hopefully you can see it here guys in the summary of the page. Okay, now let's go to accounts. Okay, tapos ko muna guys ha. There you go guys, na-add na natin yung account ni Ms. Chesa Molina. So once actually na nilagay mo yung PIN and then hit add account, makaka-receive ka ng notification na new account has been added. So ayan na siya guys, 3 accounts na yung nadagdag natin. And currently, pag nagpunta ka sa dashboard niya, ang total earnings agad niya is around 300 plus 200, so 500. And then may ability pa siya na mag-login logout 4 times a day in 6 days. So magiging almost 2,000 yan. And then again, kung naghahanap ka ng leader sa Mandaluyong, ito yung Facebook name niya. You can search on Facebook, Chesa Salas Molina. And of course, kung naghahanap ka ng active upline here on Facebook, just let me know. Iiwan ko yung link ko dyan sa baba. And then pagtulungan natin. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is your coach. Thank you, Facebook Nation, and everyone guys. Have a great day. There it's loading. Kung makikita nyo, wala pa siyang account. And then activate account. And then here, go to activation code. Kahit na alin naman dyan. And then quantity 3. And then position is left. Hagilapin ko lang sa genealogy kung saan ko siya ilalagay. Actually, naisip ko na yan last time. Hindi ko lang alam eksakto yung pangalan. So, I'm looking for it right now. genealogy. Yeah. So, by the way guys, account name, pwede kayo maglagay since this is our first account, you can just put it there, Chesa 6971-001 kasi that's her first account. And then, placement dun sa kung saan nyo siya dudugtong. Okay. It's loading here on my end. Please bear with me. Okay. Possession. Left. And then, dito sa pin. Okay, ikakat ko rin guys yung pin ha, or ipopost ko na lang. So, almost done guys. Just give me a quick second here.